Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss the answers of the questions asked in last test. First question, in the figure, we have to find the value of x. So we can see that these two angles form a linear pair as ray OC stands on the line AB. So sum will be equal to 180 degree. So 6x, 4x makes 10x degree plus 30 degree, 180 degree. So what will be 10x equal to? It will be equal to 150 degree, subtracting 30 degree from 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? It will be equal to 15 degree. So answer for this question is B, 15 degree. Taking the next question. In this question, we have been given the angle 64 degree, that is XYZ, and XY is produced to 2 point P, and ray YQ bisects the angle ZYP. That means these two angles are equal. We see that all three angles lie on a straight line. So sum of all these angles will be equal to 180 degree. That is 64 degree plus A degree plus A degree equal to 180 degree. So 2A will be equal to 180 degree minus 64, that will be equal to 116 degree. So what will be the value of A? It will be equal to 116 degree by 2, that will be equal to 58 degree. But we have been asked the angle value of angle XYQ, that is this angle. So what we will do, 64 degree plus 58 degree will be equal to 122 degree. So this is the answer. A is the answer for this question. Third question, the sum of angle AB is equal to which of the following? So we can see that this is angle sum property of an exterior angle. It is exterior angle property. So we know that sum of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. So what will be the option for this? Yes, angle A plus angle B is equal to, let's take question number 3. In this, we have been given angle A and angle B, and it is asked what is the sum of angle A and angle B equal to? Yes, it will be equal to sum of the angle D and angle E, as this angle is an exterior angle for the triangle ABC. And we know, according to theorem, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So angle A plus angle B will be equal to angle D plus angle E. Question number 4. AB is parallel to CD. We have to find the value for x. We can construct a line parallel to AB. Then this line will also be parallel to CD. According to theorem, line parallel to a given line are parallel to each other. So all these three lines are parallel to each other. So taking first two lines, these two lines are parallel, and we have been given this angle as 45 degree. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 45 degree. Now we know this angle is, this line and this line are parallel, and 30 degree, this angle is given as 30 degree. So what will be this angle? It will be also equal to 30 degree. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal and this line is acting as a transversal. So what is the sum of these two angles? It will be equal to 75 degree. So total this angle is 75 degree, and we know complete angle around a point is 360 degree. Out of this much angle is 75 degree. So what will be the rest part? What will be this angle? It will be equal to 360 degree minus 75 degree, that will be equal to 285 degree. So this is the option. Question number 5. In question number 5, we have been given a following diagram and we need to find the angle QPR, means this angle. Before we do this question, let us see the question number 6 of exercise 6.3. It is the same question. In this question, we proved that this angle is equal to half of this angle. That is, angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. This we proved it. So we can use this proof directly for solving that above question. So if angle, let's take this angle as 1 and let's take this angle as 2. If angle 1 is equal to half of angle 2, then what will be angle 2? Yes, it will be equal to twice of angle 1. So let's apply this over here. Let's take this angle as 1, this angle as 2. We know angle 1 is equal to half of angle 2. Why? Because QS is a angle bisector and RS is also an angle bisector, and they are meeting at a point S, and QR is produced to point T. So if this is a particular case, then this angle is equal to half of this angle. So angle 1 is equal to half of angle 2. So what will be angle 2? Angle 2 will be equal to twice of angle 1. So what is angle 1? It is 21. So 2 multiply 21 degree. So what will be the answer? It will be 42 degree. So correct option is B. Let's take question number 6. The angle which is 2 times its complement is. It is the same question as we did in the test before this one. That is in test 2. But there we asked about the supplement. Here it is complement, and we know what are complementary angles. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree. Over here it is asked the angle which is 2 times its complement. So we don't know the complement, so let's take the complement as x. So the other angle will be equal to 2x, and their sum will be equal to what? Their sum should be equal to 90 degree as they are complement to each other. So 3x will be equal to 90 degree. So what will be the value of x? It will be equal to 30 degree. So we have been asked the angle which is 2 times its complement, means this angle. So 2x will be equal to 60 degree. Question number 7. It is given that L1 is parallel to L2 and we need to find this x. So if L1 is parallel to L2, we see that these two lines are intersecting. This transversal and this line is intersecting. So intersecting, just because of intersection, these angles will be equal, that as they are vertically opposite angle. So it will be also equal to 37 degree. Similarly, these two lines are intersecting at a point. Therefore, this angle will also be equal to 58 degree, as they are vertically opposite angle. We got this as 37 degree, this angle as 58 degree. Now we see that L1 is parallel to L2 and this line is a transversal, and these two angles lie on the same side of a transversal. That is, this 37 degree and 58 degree plus x lie on the same side of a transversal. So what will be it? Its sum, yes, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. That means 37 degree plus 58 degree plus x. This is one angle and this is another angle. So their sum will be equal to 180 degree. So when we add 37 and 58 degree, what is the answer? It will be equal to 95 degree. So 95 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So what will be 180 degree minus 95? X will be equal to 180 degree minus 95, that will be equal to 85 degree. So what is the answer for this question? That is option B. Let's take question number 8. Listen this carefully. PQ is parallel to P and Q are parallel lines and M is parallel to N. So let's take one by one. It is given that P is parallel to Q. M is a transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? According to corresponding angle axiom. So this will be equal to x degree as they are corresponding angles. Now it is also given that M is parallel to N and Q is a transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal as they are alternate interior angles. So this angle will be x degree. So what we got? We got this angle as x degree, as this angle and this angle were corresponding angles, and if M and N are parallel then and Q is a transversal, so this angle and this angle will be equal as they are alternate interior angles. Now we got x degree, y degree and y degree. These three angles lie on a line Q. So their sum will be equal to 180 degree. X degree, y degree and y degree. So their sum will be equal to 180 degree. So x degree plus 2y degree will be equal to 180 degree. So 2y degree is equal to 180 degree minus x degree. So y degree will be equal to how much? 180 minus x degree divided by 2. So this is the answer. Question number 9. It is very easy question. In this we have to find the value of x, and we know L is parallel to M as it is already given, and this line acts as a transversal. So angle on a same side of a transversal are supplementary. So 2x plus x will be equal to 180 degree. So 3x will be equal to 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? It will be equal to 60 degree. In the last question, AB is parallel to CD. We have to find the value of y minus z plus x. Children, Note that this is not a question in particular. It can be asked in otherwise also. I have changed this question a bit, and you just have to follow what is being given in this question. It is just that we have to put the values and solve the operation. So let's find the values for each. We see that AB is parallel to CD, and this angle lie on the same side of a transversal PR, so their sum will be equal to 180 degree. So 127 degree plus Z will be equal to 180 degree, as they are the angles lying on the same side of a transversal, then they are supplementary. So what will be Z is equal to? Z will be equal to 180 degree minus 127 degree, that is equal to 53 degree. Now next, we see that AB is parallel to CD and PR is a transversal. Then 127 degree and 50 degree plus Y are alternate interior angles. Therefore, they are equal. So 127 degree will be equal to 50 degree plus Y. So what will be the value of Y? Y will be equal to 127 degree minus 50, that is equal to 77 degree. Now let's take X. Again we see that AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal. So 50 degree and X are alternate interior angles. So X is equal to 50 degree. So we got the values for X, Y, Z. Let's substitute these values in this expression. So what do we get? Y was 77 degree, Z was 53 degree, and X was 50 degree. So when we solve it, we get 74 degree as the answer. We are not doing 53 plus 50. It is, this negative sign will be with 53 degree. It cannot be separated from 53. Remember, if the question is minus 53 plus 50 degree, then your answer will be different, as there